Discover how to secure business credit lines and loans, even when banks turn you down, and regardless of credit issues or startup status. We have a complete and outlined blueprint, the Credit Boost and Cash Flow Mastery System. You may even qualify for a grant, down payment assistance, or learn to use other powerful strategies and solutions. You can feel free to pause the video on any slide as I present. Take notes or read the slide through and begin playing the video again. Today, we'll cover essential strategies for loan approval, qualifying before applying, and securing funding quickly, regardless of your credit situation. We believe every entrepreneur should access capital, know how to get approved, and have all funding options in one place for the best terms. This webinar is for those seeking business growth, facing financing denials, or looking for the easiest and fastest ways to secure capital. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme or aren't ready to start a business, this webinar isn't for you. Our Credit Boost and Cash Flow Mastery with Coach Mike Brinson. This program helps improve credit scores and cash flow in 90 days, offering substantial steps to achieve financial success. Stay until the end of this webinar to receive a playback, a no-cost business loan consultation, and free group membership that teaches you personal credit and business credit strategies. Getting money for your business is challenging, with many failures due to cash flow issues and loan availability problems. Access to funding is crucial for business growth, and alternative lending sources now offer more opportunities than ever before. There are many types of financing available now, including revenue lending, merchant cash advances, and equipment financing. You must access all legitimate business funding options in one place to get the most money at the best terms. To get approved, use the 3 C's formula: cash flow, good personal credit, and collateral. Consistent cash flow is key. Manage your bank account responsibly and ensure your revenue and profits are growing to access funding options like revenue lending and SBA loans. Good personal credit or a guarantor with good credit can open doors to funding options like business lines of credit and SBA microloans. Having business or personal collateral, or a guarantor who does, can help you access various funding options like equipment financing and 401k financing. If you lack cash flow, collateral, or credit, business credit is your best alternative. Explore grants, crowdfunding, angel investors, and venture capital. The bigger the loan, the harder it is to qualify. Determine exactly what you need money for and how much. Set up your business to be fundable by considering factors like entity type, phone number, address, and licensing. Even a slight change to one fundability standard can turn a denial into an approval. Most loan applications get denied due to potential fraud concerns. Lenders verify your details against various data sources to fight fraud. Welcome to our guide on how we can help you secure funding for your business. Whether you're a startup or an established company, we have solutions tailored to your needs. We offer a comprehensive range of funding options to suit various business needs. From revenue lending to SBA loans, we cover it all in one place. Our finance team is dedicated to helping you secure the financing you need. We assist in determining your eligibility, finding the best finance products, and negotiating favorable terms. Let's look at a case study of an OB/GYN clinic in North Carolina. Dr. Brannon secured over $1.5 million in funding through our services, allowing him to expand his practice and pay off debts. We can help you get funding even if you don't meet all the traditional criteria. With our expertise, you can improve your fundability and secure financing in less than 72 hours. Join our free membership group on credit boosts and cash flow increasing strategies today. Learn how to get business credit lines and loans, even if banks have turned you down. Visit our website or email us to get started on your path to approval.